For the first time ever, a very popular cryptocurrency exchange employee has been accused of insider trading. That's what we're talking about today. If you guys are enjoying these videos, hit the like button, hit subscribe, check out the CT Club down below. That's where we're telling our members what we're doing with our cryptos during this bear market and which altcoins we are so excited to be accumulating for the next bull run. Okay, so insider trading happened when there was a new employee at Coinbase. Coinbase is the exchange at hand. There was an employee there involved with the token listing section of that company. And basically it had been found out that he'd been leaking information of when they would be announcing internally on Coinbase, when they would be planning on listing new coins. He would take that information and give it to allegedly give it to his brother and another one of his accomplices, I forget how, associates, and those guys were making trades and making millions of dollars because they'd be buying these relatively unknown altcoins. One guy spent about $300,000 on this coin 24 hours before it was listed on Coinbase, and that was the indication that set off the red flag for Coinbase to investigate. Now these guys making these trades, they were doing so on anonymous Ethereum wallets, and they were also using centralized exchanges, but with the accounts of other people. So I don't know, they haven't really revealed how they made these connections, but I think it's pretty apparent that that's what was happening. Here's the thing, one of the governmental entities that had been assisting in this investigation was the SEC. And as the Department of Justice is doing their thing with these guys from Coinbase, the SEC is slapping on another civil suit against these guys, claiming that they were involved in securities fraud, basically. Coinbase, pretty quickly after the SEC made that allegation, has said there are no securities listed on Coinbase. You know what happened hours after this? That's what I'm going to talk about in tomorrow's video. So if you guys want to check it out and learn all about the SEC, why they are becoming the bane of the existence of crypto, and even from Coinbase is begging the SEC for regulatory clarity, that's what I'm talking about tomorrow. Be sure you guys hit the like button and hit subscribe with the bell notification. We're putting out videos every single day. My name is Heidi, and this is Crypto Tips.